Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So I think we will begin with removing the account because basically this part is quite tricky. So let's go to the settings first of all, scroll down to the very bottom and enter Google. I just wanted to show you that we are logged in, and in this section we are not really able to remove our Google account. We do not have a relevant option right here. So all we have to do is to go back and go to additional settings. Then let's scroll down and find Accounts and Sync and tap on our Google account. Tap on More and tap on Remove Account. Then tap on Remove Account again, confirm it with OK, confirm it also with your screen lock, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Of course, we can also add the account. We can do it using the Google account, which I've shown you before, or here tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, of course, because it is required, and confirm everything with your pattern. Then let's tap on Create Account if you wish to create a new one, or enter your email or phone, and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we can decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.